Hello guys, welcome to Math Accelerator. I'm April Snow. Calculate the value of the trigonometric expression cosine of 20 degrees times cosine of 40 degrees times cosine of 60 degrees times cosine of 80 degrees. If you want to have a try, please pause the video. If you're ready now, let's get started. I have two ways to solve the problem. Here is the first way. Well, as we know, cosine of 60 degrees equals 1/2, so put the constant in front of the expression to simplify the calculation. Recall that sine of 2 alpha equals 2 times sine alpha times cosine alpha, where we can get sine alpha times cosine alpha equals 1/2 times sine of 2 alpha. Then how to deal with the cosines in the expression? Don't worry, let's try to introduce sines into the expression. The constant 1 can be written as sine alpha over sine alpha. And cosine alpha times sine alpha equals 1/2 times sine of 2 alpha, as I just said. So cosine alpha equals 1/2 times sine 2 alpha over sine alpha. Okay, we can try to solve the problem by using the two formulas above. Add sine of 20 degrees over sine of 20 degrees to the expression, and there will be sine of 20 degrees times cosine of 20 degrees. Remember just now I talked about sine alpha times cosine alpha equals 1/2 times sine of 2 alpha. So sine of 20 degrees times cosine of 20 degrees can be simplified as 1/2 times sine of 40 degrees. Sine of 40 degrees times cosine of 40 degrees can be simplified as 1/2 times sine of 80 degrees. And sine of 80 degrees times cosine of 80 degrees can be simplified as 1/2 times sine of 160 degrees. Wow, that's a chain reaction in the trigonometric expression. It's very interesting, isn't it? Until now, the trigonometric expression is close to the answer, but there are still two signs in the expression. Take it easy. Notice that sine of 20 degrees equals sine of 160 degrees because sine of alpha equals sine of pi minus alpha. So the two signs can be vanished in pairs. Here we have the result of the trigonometric expression. It's 1 over 16. This is the first way to solve the problem. Next is the second way. Come back to the trigonometric expression. Again, cosine of 60 degrees equals 1/2, so put the constant in front of the expression. And again, recall that cosine of alpha times cosine of beta equals 1/2 times cosine of alpha plus beta plus cosine of alpha minus beta. So the expression equals 1/2 times cosine of 20 degrees plus 40 degrees plus cosine of 20 degrees minus 40 degrees times cosine of 80 degrees. And the expression in the middle can be simplified as cosine of 60 degrees plus cosine of 20 degrees. And again, cosine of 60 degrees equals 1/2, and substitute 1/2 for cosine of 60 degrees. We will have 1 over 8 times cosine of 80 degrees plus 1/4 times cosine of 20 degrees times cosine of 80 degrees. The second item of the expression can be written as 1/2 times cosine of 100 degrees plus cosine of 60 degrees by using the formula as mentioned just now. Substitute 1/2 for cosine of 60 degrees, and the expression can be simplified as 1 over 8 times cosine of 80 degrees plus 1 over 8 times cosine of 100 degrees plus 1 over 16. And again, we are close to the answer, but there are still two cosines in the expression. Notice that cosine of 80 degrees equals minus cosine of 100 degrees because cosine of alpha equals minus cosine of pi minus alpha, so the first two items will be vanished together. The final result equals 1 over 16, and that's the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. I will solve other math problems in my next videos. If you are interested in solving math problems, please subscribe this channel and follow my videos. See you next time, bye bye.